Posting to social media platforms manually takes time. Today I will show you how to automate it all using Make.com, saving you hours every week. With one simple setup, you can streamline your workflow and focus on creating great content while Make.com handles the rest. Let's break it down step by step. Now I'm in Make.com and this is my scenario, and for storage we're gonna use OneDrive, ChatGPT module for creating captions, and we're gonna upload them to X, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Why we use OneDrive? Because to meet these requirements for uploading to Instagram. So let's get started. The first module is a watch files and folders module. This module watches files and folders by created time. Choose your OneDrive location, select My Drive, enable to enter a drive ID, select no, select your folder here, and after that choose an item type, select file here and set limit to 1. After that we have a download a file module. Here enter file ID, file path, select file ID, enter a file ID, enter manually, choose your OneDrive location, select My Drive, enable to enter a drive ID, select yes, drive ID, we're gonna get it from the previous module's output. Here it is, parent reference, drive ID, file ID, item ID, here it is, and hit save. And here is the GPT module. This module generates captions for videos based on the video titles. Here is the prompt, it generates description and hashtags. Here is an example, and here is the user prompt. Here we enter a title from the previous module. Next module is the router module, and after that here is the upload a media X module. Here we're gonna select video or GIF size more than 5 MB, and here for the file we're gonna select OneDrive, download a file and hit save. For create a post, we're gonna get the text content from the output of GPT module. Media IDs, we get this from the previous module's output and hit save. For YouTube module, we select the title from the previous module. File, we're gonna select OneDrive, download a file. Category, select whatever category that you want. Select public for privacy status. Description, we're gonna get it from the result from the GPT module and hit save. For Instagram module, we're gonna select our page here. We're gonna select the video URL here from the download URL. For the caption, we're gonna select GPT module's output and hit save. For the Facebook pages module, we're gonna select the page, type upload a video, file OneDrive, download a file. For description, we're gonna select a GPT's result, and that's it. Now you have seen how easy it is to automate posting across social media platforms with Make.com. Save time, stay consistent, and focus on what matters most, creating great content. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let's keep building this together.